Have you got the munchies? Feel like making something fresh? In this video, I will show you how to make a vegan mushroom and spinach puff pastry. I will also show you how to make some delicious garlic and herb potatoes and a nice healthy salad. To make the vegan mushroom and spinach puff pastry, you need the following ingredients: 8 button mushrooms, 3 handfuls of spinach, and pre-made puff pastry. I am using Jus-Rol, which is vegan. To make the garlic and herb potatoes, you need the following ingredients: 2 small white potatoes, dried basil, dried oregano, dried parsley, 2 cloves of garlic, salt and pepper, and sunflower oil. To make the healthy salad, you need the following ingredients: 2 large lettuce leaves, small section of cucumber, half a shallot, 1 handful of rocket, 3 small tomatoes, 1 avocado, half a lemon, and olive oil. Step 1. Let's start making the garlic and herb potatoes first. Add 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil to a small frying pan and turn the gas to medium heat. Chop the potatoes into small sections and add them to the frying pan. Fry the potatoes for 8 minutes and turn every 1 minute to cook all sides. Add a pinch of dried basil, dried oregano, and dried parsley to the potatoes. Mix the potatoes to cover with the dried herbs. Chop the 2 garlic cloves into small pieces and add them to the potatoes. Cook the potatoes for another 2 minutes. Turn the potatoes often to cook evenly. Turn off the gas once the potatoes are fully cooked. Step 2. Turn on the oven and set the temperature to 190 degrees. Add 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil to another frying pan and set the gas to medium. Chop the 8 button mushrooms into small pieces and add them to the frying pan. Cook the mushrooms for 5 minutes and turn often to cook evenly. Add the spinach to the mushrooms. Cook for another 2 minutes. Add a pinch of salt and black pepper. Stir the ingredients for 30 seconds and then turn off the gas. Allow the mushrooms and spinach to cool to room temperature. Before continuing this video, it would be great if you could support my channel by hitting that like button, subscribing to my channel for more awesome videos, and don't forget to hit that bell icon. Step 3. Cut the puff pastry roll in half. Cut the half section into another 2 half sections. Place some greaseproof paper into a baking tray. Place the cooled mushroom and spinach mixture onto one section of the puff pastry. Place the other half of the puff pastry on top and gently press down the edges. Put the puff pastry into the preheated oven. Cook the puff pastry for 25 minutes. The cooked puff pastry should turn a golden brown color. Step 4. Let's make a healthy salad while the puff pastry is cooking in the oven. Cut the lettuce leaves, tomatoes, cucumber, and half shallot into small pieces. Add them all to a bowl. Squeeze the half lemon into a small container and remove any seeds. Add a small amount of dried basil, dried oregano, and dried parsley to the lemon juice. Add 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Mix the salad dressing. Pour the salad dressing over the salad in the bowl and mix. Remove the skin from the avocado. Place the salad and the avocado on a plate and squeeze over a little lemon juice. Step 5. Reheat the herb potatoes in the small frying pan for 1 minute and add them to your plate. Note: the potatoes should be reheated when there are 2 minutes left for the puff pastry to finish cooking. Step 6. The puff pastry should be ready after cooking for 25 minutes. The outside of the puff pastry should be a golden brown color. Cut the puff pastry in half. Add the half puff pastry to your plate. Save the other half for a snack later or have it for lunch the next day. Finally, Put on some nice relaxing music and enjoy your vegan mushroom and spinach puff pastry with delicious garlic and herb potatoes and a nice healthy salad. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and learned some new cooking skills. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this.